Ayan, please. Ayan. Any camera from the faculty you can borrow so we can... Ayan, ladies to press po. Ayan. Don't be shy. It's okay. Mention it. Ayan. Okay, you guys ready? Kita po lahat? Alright, kung kita po lahat, okay, get ready. Bilang po tayo ha. Okay, and 1, 2,
Picture daw ako sa'yo. Kasi si Anthony kanina naka-green din. Napagkamulan na muna.
Sabay ganun eh. Ako talaga.
Wala ninong ko yan eh. Si Ninong. Yan si Sir.
Talaga.
alright. Are we good? Okay, isang video na lang po.
Dati ko mga kanta yun eh. Ayun, lapitan mo.
Tingin po kayo po, guys ha. See you on the next cleanup, guys. Thank you, guys.
Naka-green.
Naka-green eh.
Hindi siya kakanta, no?
Thank you also for the faculty.
Oo, yung
Ang ganda ng kuha natin.
Haggard eh. Kuha tayo ng tinapay.